Hi friends, iTech here. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing of Sony's WH-1000 XM4 headphone. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Friends, the much anticipated new version of Sony's top-notch noise-cancelling headphone has finally arrived, and it makes a small improvements to an already a top-notch product which Sony had. The much anticipated new version of Sony's top noise selling headphones has finally arrived, and it makes a small improvements to an already top notch Sony's product WH-1000 XM3. If you expected a major changes and upgrades, you will be a little underwhelmed. The long and short of it is the way that just have been the best noise cancelling headphone of the last couple of years has got better. Inside the box, you will find a nice headphone box where your headphone can be stored. User manual, a short USB Type A to Type C cable. I wish it was a slightly longer. An airplane adapter, 3.5 mm headphone jack. Let's talk about the headset. On the outside anyway, the little has changed. Like WH-1000 XM3, the WH-XM4 still comes in the same black and silver color option with a price tag of $350. Sony also released a white color option recently. Bigger changes are on the inside. One, you can see inside the left ear cup there is a sensor that detects when you have the headphones and automatically pauses the audio when you take them off. It doesn't seem to be affecting the battery life. In fact, it is supposed to help save battery life. Now the hidden stuff, there is a new Bluetooth system on the chip that has more processing power. The headphone still uses Sony's QN1 chip that has been found in XM3, but the Sony tweaked its algorithm for noise cancellation and digital signal processing to slightly improve both sound and noise cancelling. Here are some of the likes and dislikes of XM4. Friends, what do you think about Sony's WH-1000 XM4 headset? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.